Nick here for your weekly New Ideas, Old Brain, 1-minute listen. 60 seconds or less of behavioral science and psychology research. So here we go. There are generally two types of goals: maintenance and attainment goals. Keeping a bank balance at a set point, maintenance goal, versus hitting a target savings in your account, attainment goal. Keeping a running list of current clients, maintenance goal, versus hunting down business and generating new client leads, attainment goal. The problem is we're biased towards attainment goals over maintenance goals, even when the latter is actually objectively easier to attain. Why? There's nothing more the brain loves than to close the gap between where we are now and where we want to be later. And that's exactly how attainment goals work, resolving this discrepancy or closing this gap between the current and the future state. The risk is this: maintenance goals or maintenance types goals are absolutely critical for our success in work and in life. But we often let them slip because there's zero discrepancy that actually exists, so they don't grab our attention as much. Ever wonder why losing weight is often much easier than actually maintaining a healthy weight once you hit that target? That's the reason. So what do? 1, look at all your goals and identify the maintenance-related ones. Then apply a general shift to them. Create a new discrepancy as a moving target and turn what was a maintenance goal into an attainment goal, essentially tricking your brain into finding and paying attention to a new discrepancy. And 2, be careful with growth mindset, or the quote, do your best type goals. These can actually set you up for failure because the gap or the discrepancy between the current and the future state is so unclear and unknown. Growth is good, but be specific in what you're trying to grow towards. That's it. You can find the paper citation in the show notes. And until next time, remember, keep your facts ugly and your hypotheses beautiful.